Hello guys, welcome to Nice Touch Construction Nigeria Limited. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to bend a U-lock stirrup. So a lot of my guys have been saying that a normal square stirrup is better than U-lock stirrup, but I've been telling them that I prefer the U-lock stirrup. Like as you can see in this video, this is a U-lock stirrup. This is what I normally used in all my beam columns and the rest. So what do you think? If you think that bending a U-lock stirrup and that of a normal square stirrup, if you think the square stirrup is better than the U-lock, please can you indicate on the comment section? And if you also think that the U-lock stirrup is better than the square stirrup, please also give your reasons on the comment section. But don't forget, this Nice Touch Construction Nigeria Limited. If you don't get it, forget about it.
Give me your hearts.
I swear.
For years.